Good morning, everyone. Welcome to April 23rd Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures down 124, the S&P futures down 13, and NASDAQ futures are down 23. Both Asian and European shares were lower overnight. Futures were higher Friday morning as the bulls were looking to end the week on a positive note. The market showed some promise early in the day, but the market action started turning mixed as the day went on. By the time the market closed, the Dow and S&P did close higher, with the NASDAQ losing some ground. There are no key economic reports due out today. Today we'll get earnings reports from Checkpoint Software, Netflix, and Texas Instruments. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1385, the 50-day at 1379, and the 200-day at 1273. The S&P closed on Friday at 1378 with support at 1357 and resistance at 1397. The bulls got off to a good start on Friday, but the NASDAQ struggled all afternoon, ending the week on a losing note. The S&P managed to gain a few points last week, but remains below key technical levels, having a tough time making any headway lately. In fact, the S&P hasn't gotten anywhere since February 29th when it topped out at 1378. Exactly where it closed on Friday. What's it going to take to turn the tide? First things first. We'd like to see the S&P close back above its 50-day moving average, then the 20-day. Short of that, expect lower prices. Mark your calendar for this Thursday, April 26th, when we'll have our next Online Trader Series webinar following up on our recent Max Payne session. Stay tuned for more details. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.